Awesome! It's my new surfboard and I'm ready to go surfing! I bet you didn't know that potatoes like me could surf! Alright, time to jump in! Here I go! Oh, look! It's Gabby Gabby! Hello, Mr. Potato Head! I see you want to go surfing! I have the perfect plan for you to surf even better! It's a yummy strawberry, just for you! Wow, a strawberry? Strawberries are my favorite fruit! Thanks, Gabby Gabby! This is a perfect snack right before I go surfing! It sure is yummy! And just wait until you see what happens next! You're gonna be super surprised when you see this! Wait! That strawberry tasted a little funny. I wonder what she was talking about. No, what's going on here? I can't see. Did I lose my eyes again? And I think my ears are gone too. Oh man, what kind of strawberry did Gabby Gabby give me? I better pick up my surfboard and find Woody. But wait, I lost my arms too? This always happens. I'm going to need some help. If you know what happened to all my parts, give me a big thumbs up. My plan worked. Mr. Potato Head fell for my trick. I had him eat that strawberry. Now I have his eyes, his ears, and his 2 arms locked in my toy jail. That's so funny. Now Mr. Potato Head can't surf or go swimming. And to make sure that no one can ever find these potato parts, I'm going to drop this in the deepest part of the swimming pool. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
This is my greatest plan ever. Now no one will ever see this again. Say goodbye to your parts, Mr. Potato Head. Nobody will ever be brave enough to rescue these from my toy jail.
Ah, what a fun day at the pool. It's gonna be so awesome. I finally get to try out this water slide, and it's the perfect time to do it.
Cool!
Alright, here I go.
Buzz, is that you?
Mr. Potato Head? What are you doing here? Oh, do you want to go down the slide with me? Wait, what happened to your eyes and ears and arms?
Sorry, Buzz, I can't hear you. But you might have noticed my eyes, ears, and arms are gone. Gabby dropped them into the pool.
Oh no, Gabby again? Don't worry, Mr. Potato Head. I can help. I'll get Woody and we'll find all your parts.
Buzz, I need help. Will you help me?
Didn't you just hear me? Oh wait, you can't hear me. You have no ears. Anyway, I'm gonna go down the slide now and get started. Okay, boys and girls, if you want to see the bravest hero in the world slide down this slide, type Buzz in the comments. Here I go. Whoa, that feels great. But I'm not here to have fun in the pool. I'm here to help my friend. I gotta go. I sure do love swimming, and this water feels so amazing in the summertime. Hey, I found them. Oh no, she locked them all in toy jail. What should I get first? I think the eyes are most important, so I'll get them first. Mr. Potato Head is gonna be so happy.
Hey, Buzz, are you here somewhere? Did you find anything in the pool?
I sure did. Your eyes were locked in toy jail down in the pool. But now that I got them, you can have your eyes back.
I can see. Thanks, Buzz, you're the best.
You're welcome, Mr. Potato Head.
But I still can hear you, and I can't swim without my arms.
Maybe you can read my lips. Don't worry, Woody's on it, Mr. Potato Head. While Woody's in the pool, I'm gonna go find Gabby.
Huh? I can't hear you. Can you speak much louder?
Oh man, Buzz told me to look in this pool for Mr. Potato Head's parts. This looks like the deepest pool ever. But I do have to save Mr. Potato Head from Gabby. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, jump! Made it! I just know the toy jail has to be around here. But where? Hey, I think I see something over there. those ears and arms? Oh, which one do you think he'll want next? I know what I would want. Arms! Now Mr. Potato Head can swim again.
Oh, I sure hope Woody shows up soon. I really want my arms.
Oh, Mr. Potato Head, look what I found.
Woody, you're back and you have my arms. Thank you so much. Can I have them back?
You sure can. Here we go.
I feel so much better. And now I can swim on my own and find my last part. Time to find those ears. Thanks for the help, Woody. You're a good friend.
What a brave potato.
All right, this must be where she dumped all my parts. Okay, now, gotta jump in. 1, 2, 3, whee! Woo, this water sure is chilly. Time to go underwater now. I know my ears are around here somewhere, but where could they be? I can feel them, and I think I see them. Hey, it's my ears! Oh, how I've missed you. Let's go up and put you on. I did it! I'm so happy! I feel complete again! Now it's time to go back to surfboarding. I gotta go thank everyone for helping me now. Oh no, Gabby! Hey, Mr. Potato Head, how did you get all your parts back? I hit him in the deepest part of the pool. Oh, my plan's ruined. This isn't fair. I'll get you next time. We did it! We stopped Gabby for good. And now I can finally go surfing. Surfboard, here I come.
Look, there's Buzz Lightyear now. He's the perfect hero for the job.
Woody, is that you? Why are you locked up in jail? Rex and Mr. Potato Head too? Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Oh, Star Command isn't answering. It's all up to me now. Don't worry, guys. Buzz Lightyear is at your service. If anyone can find the keys and save you, it's me, Buzz Lightyear. Looks like a mission for a special space cadet like myself. Sit tight, Woody. Your best friend will free you in no time. To infinity and beyond.
Hey, it's the keys. They're going all over the pool. I hope Buzz can find them all in time.
Ah, made it to the pool. I know exactly how villains like Emperor Zurg think. They always hide the keys in the deepest part of the pool. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, whee! I just know the keys are down here somewhere, but where? If I were a villain, I'd hide one of them over here. Aha! Now to free one of my friends. Don't worry, guys. Your hero is on the way. Look, everyone. Look. I found the key. This key has the letter R on it.
Good job, Buzz. Let's see if this works. I wonder what R is for. Could it be Mr. Potato Head? That's not right. What about Woody? Nope, this doesn't fit either. I guess that means R is for Rex. Is it? I think so. It's working. We freed Rex. Rex is a super strong dinosaur, but he was no match for these locks. Rex, it's your turn to get the next key.
Oh, sometimes I can be a real scaredy cat, but this time I can be brave for my friends. I'll go find the next key. It's okay, Woody. Rex will save you. Now, is this where Buzz said he found the keys? I'll do anything to save my friends. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, eek! I just know I can save Mr. Potato Head. Or maybe Woody. Oh, Mr. Key, where are you? Is that you? Nope, a floaty. I need one of those. Phew, I feel much safer now. Something shiny. I love shiny things. Hey, I did it. My friends are going to be so proud of me. I'm almost there, Woody. I got got your key here, Mr. Potato Head. I know I'll save one of you. I got your key. Here.
Thanks, Rex. This is great. Now, let's go ahead and open another jail. Is W for Mr. Potato Head?
No!
I don't think so. Now only one more to try. Woody, will this be your key? It is! We did it! We saved Woody! Way to go, Rex!
Thank you, partner. Now it's up to me to save our good friend Mr. Potato Head. Don't worry, I totally got this. Whoa, that water is pretty deep. But wait, I can't wear my hat in the pool. I'll lose it for sure. I'm gonna have to be brave like Rex and Buzz. 1, 2, 3. I know I can do this. There's only one key left, so it might be a little hard to find. But it shouldn't be any problem. I'm the rootin'est, tootin'est cowboy in the wild, wild west. Let me swim closer and find our key. Whoa, there it is. It's a key. Haha, I knew I could do it. Yeehaw! Mr. Potato Head will be so happy. Let's go show him. I did it, Mr. Potato Head. I got the last key.
There's only one lock left. So this should be easy. And yes, it worked! Thanks so much, Woody! Mr. Potato Head is out, but does he have all his parts? Nose? Yep. Eyes? Yep. Arms? Legs? Still there. Phew! You're still all together, Mr. Potato Head.